Hi, my name is Arjun Sampathkumar. I'm from the one-year STEM MBA program here at the Cranard School of Management. And I'll be joining Amazon as a senior program manager as part of the corporate operations team in Seattle, Washington. I'll be joining their operations team, and Amazon and Purdue go back a long way. I guess the core strength of Purdue, which is operations, ties in really well with the core strength of Amazon, which is also operations. And I'll be working as part of their corporate operations team. We started off in summer, and there weren't a whole lot of staff and students here. So I guess it was all the more important for us that we were able to interact very closely with the staff and faculty, and that made a big difference. Those relationships, that was formed in the first 2 months, really helped as we moved on. And I think the roles has been very clearly demarcated, and they both serve very different needs for us as students. I think the staff, on one hand, the Cranard staff has been extremely helpful in the sense that they've helped us all settle into the MBA. Into the MBA mode. They've kind of had an assessment for us when we first stepped into the program. For the most part, in my class, in the one-year program, most of my classmates come with a lot of work experience. The average work experience is about 5 years, and most of us come from, pretty much all of us come from science and engineering backgrounds. We're very driven. Most of my classmates are very analytical, very quant oriented, and which, as a result of which, most case studies, most submissions end up having an appendix with a lot of numbers, a lot of charts, and I guess that's taken for granted that you need numbers to back up your statements and your hypotheses. And so it's a very numbers class, certainly very driven, certainly very ambitious, and go-getters of the highest order that I've seen, because I guess pretty much everybody who's in this program knows what they want out of it, and so there's really not much time to muck around. It's very clear focus, and everybody's pretty much working to go get what they want out of this MBA.